How to name or rename a document in Microsoft Word app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily name or rename a file which is new or already saved in Microsoft Word. First of all, open your Microsoft Word app and log in. Now go ahead and select any document you'd like to rename or name. Now after you open up the document, go to the top left corner and tap on the document's current name. Now you'll see a pencil button under More option. Tap on the pencil button right next to Document. And now go ahead and enter a new name for your document. Now click on the tick mark at the top right and you'll see that the document name has been changed. The updated name will sync automatically if you're signed in. And that way you can easily name or rename your documents so that you can identify it later. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.